AI is everywhere. Our phones, cars, and daily apps. It's not sci-fi anymore. It's shaping our world at lightning speed. You might feel overwhelmed by terms like machine learning and neural networks, but you haven't missed the boat. What if you could build a real understanding and your own AI project in just 1 week? This isn't about becoming an expert overnight, it's about cutting through the buzzwords and building a practical foundation. We'll break it down, day by day, into clear, actionable steps. No fluff, no gatekeeping, just a roadmap from zero to your first AI project. Over 7 days you'll cover Python, essential math, and build and deploy a mini project. Think of this as your AI bootcamp, a sprint to get you started. Ready to commit to a week of focused learning and gain a new superpower? Let's dive in. AI is changing everything. Here's how you can get started in just 7 days. Welcome to Day 0, Preparation Day. Before any code, you need the right tools and mindset. Set up your digital workspace, a reliable computer, a dedicated project folder, and a code editor like VS Code. Install Python and get comfortable navigating your editor. Bookmark essential resources, Python docs, Khan Academy for math, and libraries like scikit-learn and Keras. Preparation now means fewer roadblocks later. Most important, adopt a growth mindset. You'll get stuck, make mistakes, and feel confused. That's normal. Every bug is a puzzle, not a failure. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Embrace the learning journey and be patient with yourself. Recap, set up your workspace, install your tools, bookmark resources, and get mentally ready. Don't skip this step. Preparation pays off all week. Get this done, rest up, and tomorrow we dive into Python. Your foundation starts here. See you on day 1. Day 1, Python time. You don't need to be a Python expert, but you do need the basics. Focus on variables, data types, lists, dictionaries, if statements for loops and functions. These are your building blocks for AI. Use free resources like Free Code Camp or the official Python tutorial. Don't just watch, type out examples, experiment, and break things to learn. Skip advanced topics for now, stick to the essentials. By the end of today, you should be able to write a simple script, print text, do basic math, loop through a list. That's your goal. A few focused hours of hands-on practice is all you need. This is the bedrock of your AI journey. Get comfortable, not perfect. Tomorrow, we tackle the math. Day 2, let's talk math. You don't need to be a math genius, just build intuition for the basics. Focus on 2 areas, linear algebra and statistics. Linear algebra is about vectors and matrices, lists and grids of numbers. All AI data gets converted into these. Learn what vectors and matrices are, and get a feel for matrix multiplication. Khan Academy is perfect for this. Watch their linear algebra videos. Next, statistics: mean, median, standard deviation, and probability. These help you understand your data and how models make predictions. Again, use Khan Academy's statistics and probability course. Don't get lost in theory, aim for a mental model, not memorizing formulas. Practice a few problems, but don't stress about perfection. The goal? When you see these terms in code, they won't feel alien. A few hours of focused, intuition-driven learning is enough. Build your math foundation today. Tomorrow we build your first machine learning model. Day 3. Time to build your first machine learning model. Machine learning teaches computers to learn from data, not rules. Focus on supervised learning. Show the model labeled examples. Let it learn patterns. Install scikit-learn. Use the built-in iris dataset to train a simple classifier. Predict flower species from measurements. Workflow. Load data. Split into training testing sets. Train a decision tree classifier. Evaluate accuracy. The code is short. Type it out, run it, and see predictions. Experiment, change parameters, see how accuracy changes. Don't worry about perfect results, focus on understanding the workflow. This 4-step process, load, split, train, evaluate, is the core of machine learning. Get comfortable with it today. You're now doing real AI. Tomorrow, deep learning. Day 4, let's step into deep learning. Deep learning powers things like ChatGPT and self-driving cars, using neural networks inspired by the brain. Think of a neural network as layers of neurons passing data and learning patterns. Install TensorFlow to access Keras, a beginner-friendly deep learning library. Build a simple neural network using the MNIST dataset. Recognize handwritten digits. Define the model layer by layer, compile it, and train it with. Watch the accuracy improve with each training epoch. Focus on the workflow. Define, compile, train, evaluate. Don't aim for the best model, just understand the process. Run the starter script, see it work, and experiment. This is your gateway to more complex AI. Tomorrow you'll choose your AI path. Day 5. Choose your AI adventure. Pick one: computer vision, CV, or natural language processing, NLP. CV is about teaching computers to see. Think facial recognition or object detection. NLP is about understanding language. Think chatbots or sentiment analysis. For CV, try an image classification project, Cypher 10 dataset. For NLP, try sentiment analysis, IMDb movie reviews. Follow a hands-on tutorial, links in the description. Don't just copy code, understand why CNNs work for images or why embeddings matter for text. Experiment, tweak model parameters and see what changes. This is how you build real intuition. Go one level deeper than before. This deep dive prepares you for your own project tomorrow. Get ready to build from scratch. Day 6, Project Day. Today, you build your own mini project from start to finish. Keep it simple and manageable. Completion is the goal. Choose a project based on your path image classifier, cats versus dogs, or spam detector, emails. Find a dataset on Kaggle or similar sites. Follow the workflow, load and pre-process data, build and train your model with Keras. Add a simple deployment step. Use Streamlit or Gradio to create a basic web interface. Now you can interact with your model. Upload an image, get a prediction. Don't fear mistakes. Debugging is part of the process. Use what you've learned, revisit tutorials, and search for solutions. By the end of today, you'll have a folder with your data, code, and a working app. It doesn't have to be perfect, just working. This is your trophy for the week. You're now a creator, not just a learner. Tomorrow we polish and share. Day 7, time to polish and share your work. First, clean up your code, add comments and make variable names clear. Write a simple readme.md explaining your project and how to run it. This helps others and your future self understand your work. Upload your project to GitHub. It's your developer resume. Share the link with friends or online communities and ask for feedback. Don't fear criticism. Sharing is how you grow. Reflect. What excited you most this week? Vision, language, data, or deployment. Make a simple plan for what you want to learn or build next month. This momentum is precious. Keep it going. You've built a real foundation in just 7 days. Celebrate your progress. The journey doesn't end here. Keep building, keep learning. Your AI adventure is just beginning. You did it, a 7-day crash course from setup to your first AI project. You've built real skills and confidence to keep exploring. Remember, this is just the start. AI is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep your momentum, build, learn, and stay curious. Join a community, tackle bigger projects, and never stop asking questions. The skills you've started building are in demand and world-changing. I'm excited to see what you create next. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share your project in the comments. Let's keep learning AI together. Your journey starts now.